Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop and welcome to another video testing, another vlog. By the way, shout out kay Sir Carlo of Makati. Okay, so ang i-review natin ngayon is the WE Block 34. This is 4 series. This is the custom design of Block WE. This is airsoft pistol. Gas blowback airsoft. Okay. So, as request ni sir, na-install na po yung kanyang back strap. Yan, meron siya Punisher skull design, on back plate, naka fiber optic sight na rin siya. Staple grip, naka magwell, trigger safety, tactical rail for flashlight. Then, meron na rin thread yung kanyang barrel for tracer units. Suppressor, silencer. So, this is Glock 34 semi-automatic 4 series. Ayan. Ganda. Okay, so testing natin. Comes with, meron na rin siyang kasamang gas sa kabibis. Okay, testing for EPS Glock 34 4 series, two-tone silver slide black frame. Ayan. So medyo tumaba yung kanyang grip dahil sa backstrap. Okay, firing 378.5, 373.3, 0.5, 373.2, 366.3, and 368.0. Yan yung kanyang EPS. Yan. Tapos, nag-open slide na. Open slide. Yan. Yung kanyang EPS ay, yung feet per second niya. Projectile speed ay 378, 373, 373, 366, and 368. Okay. So, malakas. Malakas si Glock 34. 4 series. Okay, release na mag. Pull back the slide. Hatak nyo lang yung slide kasi pag hinatak nyo, bumababa naman to dahil may spring yan. Release. Hammer down. Testing pa tayo kasi may gas pa naman to. Okay, testing. By the way, sa Glock sir, kailangan nyo lang medyo lakasan nyo yung pag-insert ng magazine, no? Kasi pag mahina yan, pwedeng malaglag. O, medyo pitikin nyo lang ng konti. Ayan. Okay, testing. Yun, no? Semi-auto. Okay, semi-auto lang naman talaga siya. Okay. So, nag-open slide. Release mag. Hatak yung slide. Release. Hammer down. Okay, so again, this is the WE Glock 34 4 series, two-tone, silver slide, black frame. So, this is airsoft gas blowback pistol. Sa mga interested po sa unit na to, ilalagay ko po yung description, yung details sa description. Check nyo na lang po yung details. Thank you and have a nice day.